All right, today we're going to do a little short video on how to use Hunterworks Can-Am belt change tool. Before we get to it, Hunterworks belt, best on the planet, check them out. All right, so we have a new Hunterworks belt change tool, and we'll show you how to use it. There are two different secondary clutches that they work on. You'll see an option at the bottom of the page where you purchase it on our site that asks you if you have a 2-roller clutch or a 3-roller clutch. And the difference is the diameter. So if you have a 2-roller, you're going to have this smaller diameter but no holes in it. And if you have a 3-roller clutch, it'll be larger and have the holes in it for tang on the spring. So you need to know that. We also give you the option to buy both bales. What is a bale? These are the bales, smaller for the smaller clutch, larger for the larger clutch. If you have both vehicles or whatever, you can certainly buy both. All right, so choose properly when you're buying it. How to use this baby. You take your plug and stem and you screw it in the secondary. It will behoove you to blow these threads out. I used to have a nice little blower and I can't find it any longer. So you get it started and screw it in. Screw it in until it stops. Take the appropriate bale, slide on, a little plastic spacer. That we send, maybe a roller, maybe a square puck, some leftover pieces from Polaris. It just works great for this. Put your handle on, give it a good spin. All right, hold your secondary, and look at that, easy as pie. So then you just screw it all the way down. All right, so bottomed out, and take your belt and roll it off. All right, we've got to put our Hunterworks belt back on. I'm going to go around the tool, get it around the clutch. I suggest putting it around the bottom and roll up. Take the tool off. Slide your bale off and unscrew it. If it gets stuck from dirt, just take a wrench, put on it, and get it loose. Once you do that, your belt's still slack because you hadn't turned this. You can either crank it up, rivet up, or simply turn. Mine's in gear, as you can tell. Do it in neutral if you're on the ground. There you are, belt's back on. Easy as pie. Check them out on the website, and that's how to use it. Don't forget our old belt. Thank you, guys.